Good day, everyone. Today I will present our project entitled Medication Reminder System using Laravel. This system is designed to help users manage their medicine, set reminders, schedule, and track whether their medicine were taken or missed. The purpose of this system is to support users in maintaining proper medication intake by providing an organized and easy to use reminder system. So, the main objective of this project is to develop a web-based medication reminder system that allow user to manage their medication schedule. So here is the login page of the system titled Medication Reminder System. So if you don't have yet account, you can create by clicking create account and mapupunta ka dito sa registration page, which is you can create your account by enter your full name, the email address, password, then confirm your password. So since I have already account, so balik tayo sa login. So this one will use the official SKSU email address. So login. So here is the login and the dashboard. So after login, the user is redirected to the dashboard. So the dashboard show an overview of the user medication reminders. So the dashboard includes the total medicine, active medicine, today reminders, pending today, taken today, and missed today. This helps the user to quickly monitor the medication activity. So, punta tayo sa medicine management. So, here, the user can add new medicine by clicking Add Medication. Add Medication button. So, here, so sample. So, paracetamol. So, set the dosage for 500 ml or 500 mg. Um, so, sample once a day. So, reminder time is set to 7:30 in the morning. So, sample and date is by June 2. So, set as active since so instruction is 8 after it. So, save the medicine. So, ayan. This form, the user entered the medicine name, dosage, uh, the frequency, reminder time, duration, then status, and action. So also the user can view the medicine, the medicine information, and also user can edit the medicine. So example, tapos niya na nawala na yung kanyang nararamdaman. So set as complete then update medicine. medicine. So, ayan, status complete. Next, on add tayo ulit ng isa. Sample is antibiotic. So, same 500 mg once a day. Reminder time is 8 in the morning. So, start date today, and by 7 days of taking antibiotic. So, lagyan natin June 5. And then, set the status as active. Ito siya, abdomen. Save medicine. So, ayan. Punta naman tayo sa reminder schedule din. So, here, the next feature is the medication reminder schedule. After adding a medicine, the user can assign one or more reminders time. For example, I will set the reminder times for paracetamol at 8 a.m. Once saved, the system will include the schedule in the user daily reminders. This feature helps the user to remember the correct time to take. So, ayan. Today's reminders is antibiotic at 8 a.m. And then, so, punta naman tayo dito sa may uh, take, taken or miss. So, example, the user can mark a reminder as taken, taken after taking the medicine. So, kapag, na-take mo na, the user can click the button taken. So, antibiotic mark as take. So, ayan. Once marked as taken, the system records the actual time when the user took the medicine. If the medicine was not taken, it can remain as missed or be marked as missed. This allows the user to review their medication history. So, on medication history, this is the medication history page. So, this this include the medicine name, the dosage, schedule time, status, and remark. This feature is useful for monitoring medication adherence. So, balik tayo sa dashboard. So, total medicine since dito is dalawa lang. So, makikita yan sa dashboard. So, active medicines, isa na lang yung antibiotic kasi yung paracetamol is yung status niya is complete na. And then, today's reminders. So, yun yung ito, yung antibiotic. So, painting today, wala. Taken today is isa yung antibiotic. And miss today is wala kasi na-take na yung antibiotic. So, punta naman tayo dito sa ating backend. So, For security explanation, the system uses authentication, which means only registered user can access the dashboard and medication record. The system also used for form validation to prevent invalid input, since the project is built using Laravel. Database are SQLite, so operation are handled using Laravel, Illuminate, ORM, and Query Builder, which help protect the system from SQL injection. User passwords are also encrypted because being stored in the database. So for code, so we use Laravel for the framework. Then the system follow the Laravel's MCB structure, which is the model view controller. Also, in this system, medication reminder system, I use uh, Byte for for the design and layout. Then UI and UX design. So the user interface was designed to be simple, clean, and easy to understand. The login registration page uses a modern card layout. The dashboard presents information using summary cards, and the form are easy to use. The system is also designed to be responsive, meaning it can be used on laptop, tablet, and mobile device. To conclude, the medication reminder system using Laravel provides a simple and useful solution for managing medication include schedule. It allows users to register, add medicine, set reminders, mark medicine as taken or missed, and view medication history. This system meets the requirement functional, apply basic security measures, follow Laravel coding structure, and provide a user-friendly interface. Also, on security explanation, the system includes basic Laravel security features, the authentication, CSRF protection, form validation, password hashing, middleware protection, and user ownership checking. So that's all. Thank you.